Hello everyone, it's H here for Counter Trend Capital, and on today's video we're looking at the exact same alts and Bitcoin as we did for the last video. So again, just a recap, we were a couple of days back, or was it yesterday? It was yesterday. It was this part that I was looking into and looking for the potential opportunities here for more upside on Bitcoin and ADA, and then we were looking at ASTR for a potential short opportunity. So let's check out Bitcoin, what it was doing. We had a three-way structure here that offered yet another opportunity to go long, and we have now gone up at least here into the 3.5%, which was decent. You wouldn't really go too low here. You wouldn't really want this to go too low for any kind of three-way. This looks very proportionate here, and the move to the upside was what we were expecting. The wave structure inside here is not really pretty, very similar to ADA, where we can't really distinguish the wave structures here on even on 15-minute time frame, which is kind of annoying. But again, the move to the upside was the thing that we were actually expecting. So let's check out ADA here as that opportunity was cleared. We had this as the potential chart, where we had potential wave A, B, and then looking for C wave. Overall, depending on where or what extensions you are using, we are right around those extension targets around the 1.236 to 1.382, of course, depending on where you are having these pivots from. But again, that extension pocket for a C wave is really there. And this was the opportunity I was signaling on Discord about the long, and this is what we got: another decent 5% move and a good risk to ratio trade. We had this a bit lower as a start, but once we started to climb up, I wanted to clear or bring this SL back to these lows, as if we had broken down from here, it doesn't look like it's for wave 4 anymore, because at that point again it would be so much larger than the previous wave 2 somewhere in here that it doesn't really fit too well, and also the retracement would be so much larger than you would expect for a wave 4 to be, that it doesn't make too much sense. But yeah, we cashed on this move to the upside very well, and now at the moment there is still possibility to go in even higher. The wave structures inside here is not that good, but at the moment we are clearing some kind of three-way move here overall, and yeah, we tagged that 1-to-1 almost to 1.236, got back into this previous resistance and support area that we had, and now at least created some kind of bounce. I'm not quite sure how this fits into the higher time frame, or this ABC move or potential ABC move, as this is again not extended to the 1.6 minute extension you would expect for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But we'll see if that happens. We can of course move on with that as well if needed. The last one that we were looking at, instead of longs, we're looking for ASTR as the short opportunities based on the rejection that we had on the 1-to-1 extensions. Now on this one, we did get that rejection, as mentioned or saw in the last video. We're looking for a three-way structure going upwards. It shouldn't take out the high. It didn't get exactly where I wanted. I missed my shorts just by a bit. You could have expected this to go to some kind of support level. I was expecting just a tad higher. I wanted it to clear the golden pocket and see a rejection. I never got that. 2-to-1 extension could have served as the stop loss. Even if it came back up in here, you would have had a really good trade. You can see the risk to ratio. The ideas that were presented on that video, however, were right, and really worked out. Almost good to that 1-to-1 extension, but I'm not quite sure what this wave structure here is. Maybe actually ends here. I'm not quite sure of the RSI. Highest is still here, and with the divergence, meaning that whole thing could end. So I kind of like this to be the end to be instead of this for any kind of three wave here. If this was one-to-one here, it would be still far further away. But yeah, first TP would have been hit as we took out this low here, even though now it looks like we might be bouncing up a bit. So both of the ideas were playing out correctly, as we were expecting that to happen on the previous video. Just wanted to create this market update for you those for you those that are actually watching these public videos. And if you're again interested in getting those actual signals, check us out on our Discord server. And if you're interested in anything else, all the links in the description. Copy, trades, and exchange small fees are available as well if you're just looking at the description of the video. But again, that's pretty much everything I wanted to cover on this video. Hope you enjoyed this and got something out of the previous video as well, and we'll catch you on the next video again. Bye bye.